Ok, rồi.
Chà.
Ok, thế là mà. Đấy. Con nói là con không nghe con nói đi.
I don't hear your teacher voice. Teacher don't nghe. I don't hear your teacher voice.
Hello. How about now? Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Is my voice clear?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So thank you so much. So I think is is my microphone really okay? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes. I can
Okay.
hear.
Okay.
Today have game. Today have game.
Wow. Today you're what did you say?
We have game.
Yeah. Okay, so hello again. Hello again, Jessie. It's nice to see you
Yeah.
again. What did you say?
Hello, teacher.
I like
Hello.
hello teacher. Hello also. So how are you today? How are you?
Good.
You're good. Wow. Did you already eat your dinner? Did you
Yes.
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 Okay. What did you eat for dinner? What did you eat
I
for dinner?
eat, I eat rice. Oh,
Fries? French fries or rice?
rice.
Oh, rice. Rice with what? Rice with
Rice.
fish?
Fish. Fish.
Fish? Oh,
Yes.
wow, that's delicious. I teacher ate rice and chicken soup today because it is very
Yes.
cold. Yes, chicken
Chicken
soup.
soup.
Because it is raining today in our place, so it is very cold. So it is delicious to eat some soup. How about there in Vietnam? Is it raining? Is it raining in Vietnam? No.
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
House.
oh, it is also raining.
Yes. It's raining.
Oh, okay. So it is it also cold there? Is it cold?
No, it's very hot.
Oh, it's very hot. Okay, right now here is very
Rain,
cold.
but hot. Raining, but
Oh,
hot.
raining but hot. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much. So now, we will start our new lesson for today. But for this lesson, we are still in Unit 2, so it is also connected with art class. But for our lesson, we will
Ah,
we will have a story. So we will listen to a story.
oh.
Yes, story about what we had learned last time. So this is connected to the colors and the art supplies that we had learned last time. Okay, so let's check. Let's check here our story. So let's listen. So tell teacher if you can hear the sound, okay? Where is it?
Page 16,
Cannot
Okay.
hear.
Lesson
How
3.
about now?
Okay.
Story.
Okay.
Yes.
A. Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. The blue paint.
The blue paint.
This is my paint. This is my paint. Hey! This is my paint too. Let's share. Okay. Look! Cool!
Okay, so one more time. Let's listen to the story one more time before teacher asks you some question.
Page 16, Lesson 3. Story. A. Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. The blue paint.
Okay.
This is my paint. This is my paint. Hey! This is my paint too. Let's share. Okay. Look! Cool!
Okay. Okay, so Jessie, that is all about our story, which the title or which is all about the blue paint. So let's read this one. The blue paint.
The blue paint.
Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at the first picture. So there are two boys in the picture. So one boy. So what color? What colors are his paint? This boy.
It's black and white.
Okay, very good. How about the second boy? What colors are his paint?
It's red and yellow.
Okay, very good. So in this picture or in this first scenario, so they both said, what did they say?
Is
This
is
is
this is my
paint.
paint.
Okay, very good. So they have their own paints, which is black and white and yellow and red. So here, let's talk about the second scenario. So this two boy, or this boy, this yellow-haired boy, said that this is my paint too.
This is my paint shoes.
Okay, very good. And we have here a color of paint that they both needed. So what color is this paint, Jessie?
This is blues.
Very good. So the two boys said that the color blue paint is both theirs. So that is why they are they are pulling. They are pulling.
Orange.
Yes, they are pulling the blue paint for them to get it. However, so the other boy said that it is his paint too. However, in the third scenario, so the other boy said that he said that let's share.
Let's share.
Okay, very good. So in this part, so they decided to share the color blue paint. So now let's take a look at what did they draw using the paints. So let's take a look at this. What did the first boy drew?
The first boy says, first boy say, look,
Very good. What did he draw? What?
he draw a people.
Very good. He draw a people or a person. And what is the color of the person or the shirt, the cap?
Blue.
It's blue. Very good. How about this? The sword. The sword of the person that he drew. What is the color?
It's white.
It's white. Very good. How about the second boy? What did he draw?
He draw a Pikachu.
Okay, he draw a person too. Okay, so for the word people and person, so we will use person if we only talk about one person. But if there are many person, we will use people. Okay, so since
Yeah.
yes, since these two boys, they draw only one person, so we will say only person because they drew only one. Okay, instead of people because we use it for many people. Okay, so for this one, what is the boy doing in his drawing? What is
The
this?
the boy is the boy is button. Is button.
Is what is
He play. He
playing?
play.
Very
He
good.
play a button.
Very good. He is playing what we call in English, we call it as skateboard.
Skateboard.
Okay, very good. So the boy in the drawing, he is playing skateboard. And let's take a look at the picture, the two pictures that they draw. What is the color that they both have? What is the color? The color
His
that
color is Color is yellow, red, blue.
Okay,
Yellow,
very good. Yellow,
blue,
red, blue.
blue.
Very good. And looking at their drawings, what is the color that they both have? They both have, meaning the color that they have the same. Its color.
It's color blue.
Okay, very good. So both of their pictures, they have the color blue because in this one he uses black and white and blue, and in this one he used red, yellow, and blue. So the similar color that they use in their drawings or drawing is color blue. Okay, so meaning they shared the color blue so that they can use it together with their drawing. So now let's read again our story. Jessie, so let's read this one. This is
This is my pet.
okay, very good. Next, this one. This is
This, this is my pet.
okay. Next, hey,
This is my pen
pin.
shoes.
Okay, next one is
Let's
let's
share.
share. Very good.
Okay,
Okay. Okay, next.
look.
Look
Cool.
cool. Very good. So now, so the value that we can learn in this story is be nice. So
Be
when we,
nice.
yes, be nice. When we say be nice, it means that we use kind words, we share and help others. So it's about making people happy and being a good friend. For example, so do you have a friend at school, Jessie?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, yes,
okay.
yes.
Yes, yes, yes. So, okay. For example, if your friend drops their pencil, so for you to be nice, you will pick it up and give
Pick
it. Yes,
it.
you will pick it up and you will give it to your friend or give it back to your friend. That is what you will do if you want to be nice. How about do you think, Jessie? Do you think, Jessie, you are nice at school? Are you nice? Are you kind at school? Are you helpful at school?
I don't know.
Oh, why don't you know? Do you study or do you go to school right now?
No, I don't go to school
Because
today.
it's your vacation?
Yeah.
Yes, but last time when it is still your school month, do you help your friend in your school or at your school? Do you help your friend? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So that means Jessie is nice. You are nice because you are helpful to your friend. So that is being nice. Okay, so you are being
I
helpful.
don't know.
You don't know. So that is one of the things that you must do at school. You should be nice. Don't fight with your classmates.
Let's be nice.
Okay. Let's be nice. Yes, let's be nice at school because we will gain a lot of friends. Especially, teacher will be happy. Teacher at your school will be happy if you are nice. Especially your mommy and daddy. If you are nice, so they will be happy. Okay, so that is the about our story. So it is about helping people or sharing to other
Hmm?
people. Okay, so before we do this activity, Jessie, for your School supplies. Do you have a school supply right now? Do you have a school supply? Yes, okay.
Yes.
Yes. And if your classmate don't have a pencil, if your classmate don't have a pencil, will you share your pencil to them? Yes or no? Will you share? Will yes? Will you share your
Okay.
Yes, very good. So you'll
Okay.
share. Yes, you will borrow them. Okay, so very good. You will borrow them your pencil for them to use it. And after that, they will give it back to you. They will give it back to you. So it is being nice to each other. Okay, so
It's
like
nice.
let's be okay, so now let's do this activity. Let's listen to a sound here. And you will say if it's a check or an X. Yes, you will say if yes or no, okay? So this is based on our story here. So if it match, yes, if it
It's my
matches,
so.
so if it matches the story, you will say check or check. If it
But
does not match, it X, okay? So now let's listen.
Page 17. B.
Number one,
Listen and circle check or X.
X, check.
1,
This is my paint. Black and white.
1,
Okay, one more time.
This is my paint. Black and white.
Okay, for number one, is this a check or X? So
Check.
yes, okay, let's check. So the boy said, what did the boy said? This is,
Is my pen. Black and white.
okay, very good. So it is a check because, so this boy is holding a black and white pen. So very good. So therefore, this is a check. So it matches what we can see in the picture. So very good. Nice. Okay, let's listen to number two.
2,
This is my paint. Red and yellow.
Okay, one more time.
2,
This is my paint. Red and yellow.
Okay, for number two, what did the boy said?
This is my paint. Red and blue. No.
Red and no. Very good. Because at what paint, what color of the paint can we see in this picture?
Blue.
It's blue. Very good. And the boy said blue, blue, blue. And the boy said in the audio, it is red and yellow, but it doesn't match what's in the picture. So it's an no, no, no,
No.
no. X. Okay, so number three.
S.
Let's listen to number three.
3,
Three.
Hey! This is my paint too.
Okay, one more time.
3,
Hey! This is my paint too.
Okay. In this picture, do you think this is a check or X?
X.
Okay, very good. Because what did the boy said in the sound? He said,
Hey, this is my paint too.
okay, very good. So, as we can see here, what paints are there? Or what paints
It's
are the boy?
yellow and red.
Very good. It's yellow and red. So, therefore, this is an X. So, good job. So, this is a no. So as we can see, so in number two, so the boy said, this is my paint, red and yellow. So supposedly this is for number three. And for this one,
Red.
it is for number
Brown.
2. So they swap. Okay, so very good. This is a no-no. Number 4, last. Last
Brown.
swap. Last number. Let's listen to number 4.
Number
4.
Let's share. Okay.
Okay, one more time.
Let's share.
Share.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wow, very good. Okay, so the boy said, let's share. And the other boy said, okay. Okay, do you
Let's
think
share.
this is a check or X based on the picture?
Check.
Okay, very good. So
Check.
this is check. Very good. This is a check because as we can see in the picture, what are the boys doing?
Saying
Share.
paint blue.
Very
Blue pen.
good. Very good. So they are sharing the blue paint. So nice, very good. So nice job. Okay, so now Jessie, what is your favorite color in the paint? Or what is your favorite paint color?
Mm,
What is your favorite paint color?
rainbow,
Rainbow.
rainbow.
Okay. So will you share your rainbow paints to other people? Will you share? Will you share your rainbow? Yes. Okay, very good. Wow. So you are so nice. Okay, so we will share. We will share what we have to other people, especially when they need it.
Why my
Okay.
head is very big.
Because I think you are in front of your camera. You are near like this. You are so near your camera. That's why your head is big. Okay, so very good. So good job for answering this activity. So Jessie. Okay, so now let's continue the lesson here. What is this? Oh, okay.
Lesson and soccer.
Okay, so let's check first if all of your answers are correct. So let's read this again.
Song.
Can you read this one again? This one. This
This
is
is my paint, black and white. This
okay.
is my pants, red and yellow. Hey, this is my pen too. Let's try. Okay.
Very good. So I can see all of your excuse me, all of your answers are correct. So good job. Okay. Oh, let's listen to a song that we have here.
Song.
So the
Let's hear the song.
after this you will sing, huh? Okay? You will sing after listening. Okay, so our song is about let's share. Okay, you will
Page
sing after.
17. C. Sing.
Sing.
Let's share.
This is my paint. This is my paint.
Hey, it's my paint too.
Okay, let's share. Let's share. Let's share.
Okay, let's share. Let's share. Okay, cool.
This is my paint. This is my paint. Hey, it's my paint too. Okay, let's share. Let's share. Let's share. Okay, let's share. Let's share. Okay, cool.
Okay, do you want to sing? This is my
This is my paint.
This is my
paint.
hey.
Hey,
It's
is my paint
paint
too.
too.
Okay,
too.
let's share. Okay, share. Let's share. Okay,
Okay.
let's share. Let's
It's
share. Okay, cool.
wow. Wow, very good. Wow, you have a nice voice. Teacher is having a sore throat right now. That's why she cannot sing.
You can sing.
I
Me?
I
You can
cannot
sing.
sing right now because my throat is very, very, it's very, what do you call that? It hurts.
It's hard.
My throat. It hurts. That's why teacher cannot sing. But you did a great job. Wow, you are so good at singing. Okay, so now let's take a look at these colors that we have in this picture. What are the paint colors that you can see in the
Yeah.
picture? What can you see, or what are the colors that you can see?
I see.
Hello? Are still there? Uh, uh,
Yeah.
uh.
Yeah.
Okay, you can hear me now. Okay, okay. Okay, so very good. So nice. So let's go to our but first, so teacher has question for this actually. What colors can you see
I
in the
see red, black, yellow, blue.
Okay, very good. So this is
Yes.
the paint that they share to each other. So now let's have our dialogues here. So
Red
let's read.
color,
Let's
color.
let's this one. Let's read this one. Let's say
Let's share. Okay. Let's share.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Let's look at this picture. What art supply do they have? What is this art supply? It's what do you call this art supply? We use it to color.
It's
Hmm,
color. Color.
what do we call it? Starts with letter C. Cray, cray,
Grace.
crayons.
Grace. Grace.
Okay, very good. So this is crayons. What colors? What colors are they using?
Pink, blue, green. Pink, blue,
Very,
green.
very good.
Red, yellow,
And let's look
blue,
at the
green.
picture. She is giving one color, or
One color is
she is
this
sharing.
sharing, sharing,
Yes. What
sharing.
yes, what color is she sharing to the other girl? She's like this.
It's green.
Very
Green.
good. So that is how we share. That is how we share our things to other people. So it's about being nice and making sure everyone is happy. Okay? So for this one, I think it is already the end of our lesson for today. So we will continue this one. So I think we just have one slide after this. But make sure to review. Make sure to review our value, okay? Because teacher will have questions for you about this value. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so see you again soon. Jessie, see you on Wednesday. Goodbye, goodbye. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay.
Goodbye.